ready, off to Anglesey at the weekend. Got me wets as well, just in case. Never know, usually chucks it down in Anglesey. Welsh weather, it's a bit weird. Just doing a couple of little tweaks. Finish it off and that. And then get the race numbers on, I'll chuck them on. Then hitch her up on the trailer tomorrow. But I've got my race numbers made a big set of magnetic ones. So it's nice and easy. We have to keep changing my numbers all the time, so we made these magnetic ones. So mustn't forget my licence and all the bumps for the car. Chuck them in. Got my race numbers on. Really long numbers this time. 137. She's all running alright anyway. Everything's all good. Just running on a safe map for my first one this year. See how it goes on the new setup, innit? So, happy days. There she is, all loaded up, ready for Anglesey. Let's have a nice little road trip now. After the first bend, found I wasn't running any boost whatsoever, and the actuator is totally gone on the turbo, so I've had to use what I can find, just bits of wire in the Land Rover, wire it shut. Obviously it's going to overboost, so I've just been using a zip tie on the feed which goes to the dump valve, so it relieve the pressure. So if it hits a certain boost, it'll open a little bit. And it's been alright on a couple of runs, but a little bit uncontrollable. But you've got to do what you've got to do to keep racing. So I've got the actuator in pieces, and it's pulled this out of this nylon little cup which goes into the piston. I think it mustn't have been on too many threads, so I'm just going to stick a bit of Loctite on it, put it all back together and give it a whirl. Because I did find out that I did have to keep adjusting it up a little bit, so it must have worked its way loose. So I'll rebuild her and give it a whirl. So the actuator's all back on now, managed to fix it. It just come through its thread, so I've Loctited it. It seems okay now. So I'm going to take it for a spin, do a bit more road mapping as well. Ready for Airwood next week, see how we get on there. So that's it for this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.